The perfect blockchain doesn't exist. Let me tell you why.
Welcome to the world of crypto where everyone wants the perfect blockchain. One that's secure, decentralized, and fast. But here's the catch. You can only have 2 out of 3. Want 100% decentralization and security? Great. But get comfortable. Your transactions will take forever. Slower than an influencer responding to DMs that don't include sponsorship offer. Prefer decentralization and speed? Perfect. But security gone. Your blockchain is now as vulnerable as using password 123 for a bank account. And if you want security and speed, forget decentralization. Congrats, you've just built a faster version of PayPal and slapped blockchain on it. Pick 2. The third one disappears. And that, my friends, is the Blockchain Trilemma. The big question is, how do we fix it? We have 2 solutions. Fix the blockchain itself, Layer 1, or build around it, Layer 2. Let's start with Layer 1. On-chain solutions, modifying the blockchain itself.
And divide it into 3 components: increase block size, faster block creation, sharding.
We can increase block size. More transactions per block, but leads to centralization. Faster block creation. Speeds up transactions, but increases security risks. Sharding. Splits the network into smaller chains, but complicates security. Sounds great, right? Well, every fix comes with a cost. Bigger blocks, more transactions per block. But big players gain more control, leading to centralization. Faster blocks increases speed, but some transactions will be lost along the way. Sharding improves scalability, but makes security and coordination harder. It's like smuggling secrets across borders. Bigger blocks, stuffing all documents into one suitcase. Easier to transport, but if caught, everything is lost. Faster blocks, sending more couriers. Faster delivery, but some will get arrested. Sharding, splitting the secrets into multiple routes. Safer, but harder to reassemble the full intel. So fixing the blockchain itself isn't easy. What if we built around it? And here we go! Layer 2 solutions, off-chain scaling. Instead of upgrading the blockchain, we add extra layers on top.
On-chain solutions are divided into 3 components: rollups, payment channels, sidechains.
For example, using Rollups. Bundle transactions together before posting them on chain. Payment channels. Instant direct payments between users. Sidechains. Independent blockchains connected to the main network. Sounds like a perfect fix? Not quite. Rollups reduce congestion, but still rely on the main blockchain for security. Payments channels, fast and cheap, but only work between pre-funded parties. Sidechains, more flexibility, but require trusting a separate network. It's like pulling off a bank heist. Rollups, waiting for all the loot, then smuggling it out in one truck. Efficient, but if caught, you lose everything. Payment channels, a getaway motorcycle, fast and discreet, but only works if you set it up beforehand. Sidechains, multiple safe houses to stash the money. More flexibility, but you have to trust that none of them are set up. So, is the blockchain trilemma an unsolvable paradox? Maybe, maybe not. On-chain fixes, sharding, layer 2 solutions, new consensus models, all pushing the limits. But none of them solve the problem completely. The real question isn't can we fix it? It's how much are we willing to sacrifice? Because every solution comes with a price.